It's time for assembly, so I had to call in the big guns. Can't be doing this shit by myself. It'll never get finished. I guess we're showing that now. We'll talk about that another time. Right now, the big moment is on this one. Yeah, I got all lined to bed, get some tail lights going and stuff. Keith, thank you. Look at this. You guys know me, I like never ask for help. What a great job. It's good to have friends. She looks like a truck again. Let's go cruising. Don't lean on that bed, it might fall off. Look at that sweet Tacoma. My friends took off, but yeah, she needs a good cleaning and a good this, but initial assembly is going well. Going well. Yeah, I know, this video has been a hodgepodge of just remembering to record and forgetting to record and coffin bookcases. I should have like let them sponsor the show or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this wrapped up. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. Together again. Been a while. Definitely been a while. Today's video is sponsored by the SEESI Polisher Buffer. Pick one up for yourself today. Full details and discount code are included in the description. I think I say that like 3 or 4 times. So it's a great product from a great company that's helping little guys like me bring cool videos to you and bring your dreams back to life. Okay, maybe not that one, but your dreams. I feel like maybe we should take the polisher to this old girl right here. What do you guys think? This is the one? I mean, I can't really hurt it, right? Be a good test to break out some of that compound, break out the pads, and see if we can breathe a little bit of life back into this old girl. I always find it's a great place to start right here with the instructions. So let's get these opened up and check these out. I went ahead and took everything out of the box here so you can get a good look at everything that actually comes included in the package. It comes with some sanding papers, your interference pads, some different pads here, some Velcro base pads, a nice little interference pad here on this guy. Pretty cool stuff. Now, as far as the SEESI power tool itself, you've got yourself a D handle, off and on trigger, comes with a hex wrench included, the spindle lock button, carbon brush covers, all kinds of good stuff included. I'm not this smart and knowledgeable about the product. They're kind enough to include everything right in the instructions. So now that you've checked out what's inside the box, let's break out this SEESI corded buffer polisher, the TS512. And let's give it a whirl on one of these cars and see what it could do. So that's right, even if you don't know, they're gonna go ahead and include everything in the box to set you up for success. Setup's a breeze. I mean, if you've ever ran a grinder, because you're a big MiniTruck guy like me, then you know this guy's your speed right here. Here's your on and off button with your safety switch. All right, keeps that locked open so you can run it full blast. You got your button to hold to change your pads and lock that in. And you're just gonna go ahead and spin on a base bed and get to work. I went ahead and picked up a little bit of polishing compound. So I'm gonna squirt some on this pad and we're gonna take it over there to the truck and get to work. Now I went ahead and chose to install the D handle because I feel it makes me look a lot cooler, but just know that it has a regular handheld in here that you can thread in on the left and right. Let's get some power to this cord and start polishing. Because honestly, you guys can listen to me talk all day. I know the proof is in the pudding. So while we're getting that cord plugged in, go ahead and do yourself a favor. Click on the link below, link in description, as they say. All the details are provided there, including a wonderful discount code that SEESI is provided with this video to save you guys a little bit of coin, should you choose to pick one up yourself. Remember, if you guys decide to pick one of these up, because it's what you need in your garage, it helps me. And that helps you by helping me make more videos for you, or something like that. Hit the code in the description and pick one up for yourself today. Enough yap, more flap. Let's get the buffing. Yeah, and I probably should have not made the rookie mistake of getting that all over first. Let's go ahead and give her a whirl. As you can clearly see, the SEESI polisher buffer makes quick work of a big job and brings your pretty paint back to life. We should have put a piece of tape down. Can you guys see the strap mark in there? Let's see if we can get that out. There you go. Bring that shine back to life. It's the Aloha way. Don't forget to hit the link in the description. And there you have it, with a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time and practice, you can use the SEESI polisher buffer to get yourself some fantastic results. Just look at that shine. Don't forget to check out the description, use the code today and save yourself some bucks. And in case you're at home still laughing at me throwing the stuff everywhere, all right? I know how to do it. You put a little on the pad and just move it around some first, okay? Now that I have this SEESI tool, I can practice more and get better at it. So don't laugh at me next time. Didn't need the valve cover hole after all, huh?
I know, it just was racing, bro.
You guys know this look, right? Early lineup for reunion? Yeah. Early lineup for reunion. It's kind of a tradition now. I don't know why. I don't know why we do this so early. Silly peoples. Reunion 2026, number 5. Should have been here. Hey, look, this thing filled the cars and trucks. Tons of people do these YouTube channels now. I'm with the boys today, so don't give me any grief, man. Here's the guys. Check them out. And for those of you that really want to take a blast from the past and claim OG channel viewing status, you may remember this box that I built with my daughter. Man, I missed this one. Best setup I ever had. But when opportunity knocks, you take the opportunity to take that box for a test drive. So let's see how it sounds in the old XB. Bumpalicious, that's a great name for this box. I should go ahead and paint that on there. So there you have it. Test number 2. Badass box built by Ben. Go ahead and get it. Pick yourself one up today. The Hawaiian. The bumps. I've teased it out here and there, but I haven't really introduced it. Like the rest of my trucks, she doesn't really have a name. She's an 88 4Runner, and it's pretty much bone stock. So really isn't a lot to talk about, you know? I mean, as you can see, the radiators, where it's supposed to be, it's got an engine in the front. The tires go around, they're black, they spin if it runs, which currently it doesn't, which is why we are in the process of swapping the whole harness from this truck to, well, this harness and some of that stuff you saw in that other video. If want to see how this truck shakes down, and the rest of these trucks shake down, do yourself a solid, do me a solid. Like, share, subscribe. It's the YouTube way. Does it really matter? I don't know. Ask me questions about silly stuff that I do on the channel. You guys want a full breakdown?